Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share the cards I created for the Instagram hop that I was in yesterday, which is a Create It 3 Ways collab hop. Basically, you're giving a theme, and then you use like one stamp set or one pattern paper or whatever to create 3 cards using that theme. Last month was my first month doing the collab, and I used the same stamp set, the same papers, and the same sketch for it. And I really liked that, so that's what I think I'm going to continue on doing. And I did it this month, and I love my cards. A while ago, I had a series on my blog called 3 for Tuesday, so I've always kind of liked this concept, and so it's super fun to do it each month. So on to what I used for my cards. Since it was the birthday theme, I did use Newton's Nook Birthday Party 6x6 paper pad. Fun, bright colors. I used the Newton's Nook Birthday Mice stamp set. Just such fun mice there. I used the Newton's, well, and I didn't have the dies for this. I used the Newton's Nook Frames and Flags, and I used the Newton's Nook's Circle Frames dies. I did use my Scan and Cut because I don't have the dies for these. I really like Newton's Nook's dies though, because they usually cut out like on this one, I would imagine they usually have where it cuts like that piece out. They're so amazing. I plan on getting the dies. Anyways, I digress. I used the We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder punch, and I used some Doodlebug sprinkles in the rainbow assortment colors. So on to, and the sketch that I used, I will put up on the screen now. I am trying to create with the Mojo Monday sketches, and I started at the beginning at number 1 a couple weeks ago. So this is Mojo Monday sketch 2, and here are my cards. First we have this little guy, Eek, It's Your Birthday. I did add some glossy accents and some stickles to each of the cards, and there you can see those papers, that layout. I didn't have a die that made this piece, so that's where I used that corner rounder, those enamel dots. Just so fun. And then on the inside, Happy Birthday Big Cheese with that guy stamped again. So that was the first one. And then we have Eek, I Missed Your Birthday, my famous thing. Again, I did the glossy accents and the stickles. I kept them all cohesive across all 3 cards. The same thing on the inside, just it matches the front. And then my third one is this one. I love that balloon, and I love doing glossy accents on balloons. I just think it makes it look so nice. Have a Mice Birthday, and again the same thing on there. So there was my 3 cards for the Create It 3 Ways collab hop on Instagram. You should go ahead and hop on over to Instagram once you're done here and check it out. There's a very long list of collaborators in this hop. Always fun to see what 3 projects they created with the theme. Like I said, this month it was birthday. I love how these turned out, and I'm having the most fun with this. I am starting to look at a lot of my projects in like doing 2 at one time or 3 at one time using the same method, like the same stamp set, the same sketch, and so on. So anyways, there are my cards for today. I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you soon. Bye.